name is Cindy. I'm currently a mother of three, working with an oil and gas company, leading the global procurement for an oil and gas company. I have long working hours, and during the time that I'm not working, I just spend time at home with my children and my husband. And the things that we normally do at home will be playing chess, playing piano. I came across Rest and Relax through a common friend, and that's where I was going through their website, and I noticed that Bernard has got a very strong, unique expertise in a home that I was looking for, along the line of clean, luxury and comfort, and that's where I started to contact him. I basically love every part of the house. For the living room and the basement, that's where the family spend a lot of time together. As well as the bedroom, it provides a very conducive area for my kids to do their work. And I spend most of my time in my home office. That's where I find the colors plays a part in giving me the energy and giving me space to work. The family is a key anchor in making sure that all of us are having a good mental health. That gives a lot of positive energy in our work and for my kids in their study and in the overall social well-being. My own hobby is Pilates. So I have been doing Pilates the last 10 years. And the common living room area, that's where we have friends over. We love the space in the living room, especially it's bright and lit. That's where we have a deep conversation, find out about each other's lives. So that's where I feel that a lot of investment and time has been placed during the design phase and styling for this part of the house. I usually like to wind down the week having a sake with my sister at the balcony, enjoy the quiet moment and enjoying the breeze at night.